passing way too fast, so let the party begin. Ain't gonna waste another second on what could've been. Today I'm calling up the homies, cause it's time to win. I'll be like, better get ready, cause I'll be there in an hour or so. Calling sick and let's keep driving till we hit the coast. Today we're gonna make the most of it, and toast a bit, and get a little dose of that vitamin D. All day, it's about to be 100 degrees. Big waves, there ain't no other place I'd rather be than sitting underneath the palm trees with an ocean